Hey everyone, Brad the mechanic here. Today we're going to show you how to take the strut off and replace it on a 2015 Chevy Equinox. I see everybody use their fingers on these videos to make them go faster, so I think it's going to make me go faster. So I'm going to get the car jacked up and on a jack stand. Boom, got it jacked up. Now I got jack stands under it, and I'm going to get the wheel off. And there you have the wheels off, so now we're going to get up here and we're going to take off the sway bar link. Boom. And then, so that was at 18 millimeter, and I just held it with vice grips behind the stem there. So now we're going to move up here. Okay, so now we're going to get the fastener right here. This bolt is going through, holding on the brake line, and then we're going to take these two knuckle bolts off. So let's try the snap technique. So I got the nuts off, and the snap technique is working, so I'm going to try it for the rest of this video. Now I'm going to get those bolts out. Okay, so the bolts are out now, and let's get this brake line retainer off. Okay, so that's off now. This is free. This is also free. We're going to pull this down. That's free. Now we're going to go up above the hood and take the bolts out from the top. Now there's some plastic covers that you got to come off. Just use a flathead screwdriver and get under there and get those off. Wow, that's easy. Okay, so now there's 13 bolts that got to come out, and then when you take those out, the strut's going to drop down. Let's try it. Nice. Okay, let's go grab it. Okay, it came out just easy. Let's get the other one fed back up in there. Okay, I got it fed up there. Now let's get it up there and get the bolts on it. Boom, got all 3 bolts in. Now let's get the plastic back on there. Boom. Okay, so let's go back down underneath. Alright, so now I gotta take that knuckle or control arm, get it up onto the strut, and let's feed the bolts through so that it holds it there. Okay, got the bolts through. So now let's get the 2 nuts on there and the bolt holding the brake line retainer. Boom, just like that. So now we're going to get the sway bar link and reattach it. Boom, got that on there. Okay, so I guess now all that's left, since everything's tight, we're going to close the hood and we're going to get the wheel back on. Alright, so we got the wheel on now and the lug nuts are tight. So let's see, let's just lower it down, get it off the jack stands. Alright, got that. So now let's get the jack out of there. Oh, that's easy enough. Okay. So let's get the hood closed. Wow, you guys, really, it is way nicer doing this. So that's pretty much how you do it. I suggest using the snap technique. It took like 2 minutes to do it, and all I had to do was just snap a few times. So I suggest doing that. You know, as long as you have the tools and a finger and a hand to snap, you should be able to get this job done within minutes. So yeah, you don't have to like or subscribe. I just want you to fix your shit, so go out there and fix it, alright? See ya.